So, in the name of Almighty Allah, I am Tawseef Iqbal. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. So, basically, we have started a series of lecture on important medical terminologies. So, in previous lecture, we have already discussed about those important medical terminologies which are commonly used inside clinics. So, first of all, myocarditis. So, inflammation of the myocardium. So, basically, human heart consists of three protective layer. One is myocardium, endocardium, and pericardium. So, if there is inflammation inside a myocardium, so we call it myocarditis. So, inflammation of myocardium is called myocarditis. Next is so next is antipyretics. So those drugs, those medication which are used for temperature reducing, so we call it antipyretic. So those drugs which are used for pyrexia, pyrexia simply mean fever. वो तमाम अद्वियात जो टेम्परेचर को रिड्यूस करने के लिए यूज़ होते हैं तो उसे हम कहते हैं एंटीपायरेटिक। तो इसमें जो कॉमन मेडिसिन है जैसा कि पैरासीटामोल और एसिटामिनोफेन, सो बेसिकली दीज आर एंटीपायरेटिक मेडिकेशंस। नेक्स्ट इज़ analgesics. So analgesics are those drugs which are used against algesia. So those drugs which are used for pain relieving, we call it analgesics. वो तमाम अद्वियात जो पेन को ख़त्म करने के लिए यूज़ होते हैं तो उस तमाम अद्वियात को हम कहते हैं एनाल्जेसिक्स, जिसमें है opioid analgesics, non-opioid analgesics. Common drugs include diclofenac sodium, diclofenac potassium, desperine, paracetamol, ibuprofen. इसके साथ साथ बहुत ज़्यादा और अद्वियात है जो एनाल्जेसिक मकसद के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं. So all those medication which are used for relieving of pain is called analgesics. Next one is arthritis. So inflammation of the testes. Human reproductive system, male reproductive system consists of two testes or eggs. So if there is inflammation of the testes, we call it arthritis. So basically these are inflamed testicle and we call it arthritis. So if there is inflammation of the epididymis, so then we call it epididymitis. So if there is inflammation inside testicles, simply call it arthritis. So this is inflamed testis and this is healthy testis and this is healthy epididymis. Next is ooperitis. So inflammation of the ovaries. So human female consists of two ovaries or oviduct, and this is fallopian tube, this is uterus, this is cervix, and this last one is birth canal. So if there is inflammation of the ovary, we call it ooperitis, and if there is inflammation of fallopian tube, then we call it salpingitis. Next one is meningitis. So meningitis is inflammation of the meninges. So meninges are a protective covering of the brain. So इंसानी दिमाग पे जो प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर होती है उसकी तादाद है 3. इसमें सबसे जो पहला है डोरा मैटर, एराकनाइड मैटर एंड pia matter. So these are just protective layer and they protect brain. So if there is inflammation in meninges or any layer of the meninges, so we call it meningitis. Next one is pancreatitis, so inflammation of the pancreas. सो बेसिकली ह्यूमन बॉडी में जो इंसुलिन और ग्लूकागॉन की जो सिक्रीशन होती है अल्फा और बीटा सेल से, सो वो होती है पेनक्रियास से. सो बेसिकली दिस इज़ अ ग्लैंड, and if there is inflammation, so we call it pancreatitis. So here this is acute inflammation or inflamed pancreas. So inflammation of pancreas is called pancreatitis. Next one is prostatitis, so inflammation of prostate gland. So prostate gland, this is normal and this is diseased one, this is inflamed one. So this is healthy prostate gland, and this is basically a healthy bladder, and this is male urethra, and this is if we look to this and this, so here this is inflammation, there is enlargement or increase in the size of the prostate gland. So if there is inflammation of prostate gland, we call it prostatitis. Next one is urethritis, so inflammation of the urethra. So this is bladder and this is inflamed urethra. This is caused due to many reasons, but simply if there is inflammation of the urethra, we call it urethritis. So next one is tinnitus. So tinnitus is noise in the air, ringing in the air, buzzing inside the air, we call it tinnitus. So next one is, so basically these all about important medical terminologies. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. In next lecture I will focus on other important terminologies. So keep watching, stay blessed. Thank you.